With difficulty like this, if encountered in real life, could the car actually be backed out? Let's take a look. The black car in the video entered nose first and now needs to reverse out, but the rear distance is blocked. After adjusting several times, the car still couldn't get out. The driver wants to reverse the car out. When arriving, the car was driven in nose first for convenience. Now, while reversing, the rear is blocked by another vehicle. Either the front swing space will scrape, or the rear remains blocked. The driver moved forward slightly and swung the car. But when backing up again, another problem occurred. The rear is blocked and the front is stuck. In such extreme and confined spaces, or irregular parking spots, it is very difficult to exit. One must learn to shift sideways and use reverse pushing to get out. Let's observe. Normally, this is fine, but here, a sideways shift is needed first. Move the car to the right, because the exit is on the right side. The rear must exit through there, just like backing into a garage. Turn half right to angle the rear. Or even use a full right lock. Once angled, turn to full left lock. When the car is straight, it has effectively shifted sideways. Then move forward slightly. Once nearly aligned with the car next to it, apply a full left lock. Now the car is angled. See, it's angled. Now, reverse with a full right lock. Watch the points while reversing. First, the right side mirror, ensuring the yellow car doesn't hit the white one. Second, check the left side through the window to avoid scraping the gap. Reverse with a full right lock immediately. Let's watch. If the gap is wide, it's fine. If it's narrow, straighten and reverse a bit. Then continue the maneuver. With a full right lock, a problem arises. The right side gets wider and wider, but there is no room in front. Normally, one would adjust by moving forward. But in this situation, during this extreme operation, we use a full left lock to reverse push. Let's see one reverse push with full left lock. Did the car get closer? Now straighten and move forward. The right side is now easy to enter. Repeat the action, full right lock and reverse. Take a look here. Don't back up all the way every time. When the right side gets to wide, immediately switch to full left lock. Leave some space at the back. With that space, perform another reverse push. See, the rear still moves back with full left lock. This creates the necessary room. The car is now close to the white one again. The principle is simply keeping the car close to the white car. Forward adjustments would work, but backing toward the edge works as well. Reverse with a full right lock. It's wide now, right? A full left reverse push makes it okay. Then move forward again. Repeat this. The key is the right lock. Correct, then reverse push and the car can exit. The risk of scraping is very high. Look at this small car in the video. Trying to parallel park here. There are electric scooters parked, occupying the space. After adjusting several times, it's difficult, but the car was finally parked. If we encounter such a spot in real life, how can we quickly, safely, and effectively park the car? Let's continue watching. I'll roughly mimic the scene from the video. He aligned with the car in front and used full left lock to reverse, backing into the spot. The rear angle was too steep, with too much angle when swinging the front. The front end got stuck, or the tail got stuck and wouldn't move. Then he drove out to adjust. After adjusting, it still didn't work. The tail was still out of position. He drove out to adjust once more. Finally, the car was positioned correctly. He got it in eventually, but it took many attempts. If we encounter this in the future, how do we reverse quickly and safely? Without any scraping, let's keep watching. When encountering this spot, first, pull the car close to the edge. Why? Because this road isn't very wide. Stay close to the side first. As long as you don't hit the scooters, keep driving forward past them. Once your shoulder has cleared the parking space, begin turning to the right. Turn to angle the car. Move a bit with full right lock. Just a little bit will do. Move less if the road is narrow, more if the road is wide. The angle is now slight. With a slight angle, turn to full left lock. When reversing, why left? Because of this specific trajectory. Here is our parking spot. This is the space. Reverse with full left lock. First, glance at the left mirror. The left side is safe. Now, check the right side mirror. In the right mirror, mainly observe the trajectory while reversing. Can you see the car behind? About most of its front end. Most of the front end. See most of the front from here. Don't wait to see the whole front. When most of it is visible, straighten the wheel and reverse. Straighten and reverse. When should you swing the front in? Look at your left side mirror. The left mirror. It's entering. The mirror now overlaps with the scooter. Reverse just a bit more. Once overlapped, use a full right lock. Turn full right and watch. Good. It goes in one go if not straight. Apply a full left lock. Move forward slightly. Then turn right and back up, okay? The car is now parked in the spot.